Okay, today guys I'm going to open Mr. Potato Head toys. I already know what's in here because I opened it hours ago. Okay, let's open it. Ooh. This one looks cool. Okay, we're supposed to put this on top like this. And the other one is supposed to go right here. The feet are supposed to go on the bottom. And the face goes right here, of course. It's hard to put it on. It's little. Okay. This is what I got. Well, one of them. I got this from Target. You could get it from Target. Or this one's that little ice cream. Okay, this one is one of my most favorite ones because look. Okay, let's start these on. See? I got confused with the hand, so I just got this one for the other one. And this is the other one. Bye! Subscribe and ring that bell and leave a like.